Congress Party na District President Khannabagi Paikhatlakpa Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan SSA gi manung CHANNA IMPHAL West District ki President Khannabagidamak MIFAM PANGTHOKPA HOUKHRE Congress Party na miyam gidamakta laibak sinba thungna Bharat Jodo Nya Yatra Bharat Jodo Yatra MG Narega Bachao Abhiyan amadi Samvidhan Bachao haibana chingba campaign kaya mai pakna pangthokhraba matungda khongthang asi lokhalakpani Party asibu grassroots level dagi hauna mapangal kannabagi pandamda national leaders singi lamjing makhada paikhalakliba khongthang asigi matung inna ngasi mayang IMPHAL da leiba hanagi minister Dr. KH Kumar gi mayumda pangthokkiba MIFAM aduda Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan AICC gi observer Dr. Palak Verma MPCC Mahila Congress President and Observer Mutum Sharma Devi MPCC General Secretary and Observer Pangamba Sarachandra MPYCC gi President Hanagi Ningthozam Popilal amadi atai masak naiba miyoi kayana saruyaki Ngasigi thoromaduda AICC Observer Palak Vermana hai leibak asida lairiba political parties singna district president khanba matamda party adugi senior leader natraga vote taunaraga khanbagi thabak ase pangthoknei adubu Congress party gi oinadi nauna khongthang ama oina national leaders singi lamjing makhada grassroots level dagi hauna worker amadi member khudemaki wakhaloi khangdokpada natana block level district level pradesh fawba kopna khana nainaraba matungda President Khannabagi khongthang ase paikhatpani masina party asibu hena mapangal kanhanba khakta natana miyamgi marakta hena nungsinaba amadi cheksinba mari sagatpa ngamgani loinana tungda lakadaba mikhalda party asina achoba mai pakpa ngamnanabagi khongthang amani haiki
AICC has launched Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan, an inclusive, democratic and a transparent process for selection of the district president in Manipur right now. For the same, I have come to Manipur, IMPHAL West 2 district today to launch the program. Like me, many observers have gone in different districts of Manipur for the selection process of the district presidents. We will be investing 7 to 10 days in the district, going to the block levels also, meeting with the civil society people, NGOs, media people, take their inputs, take the inputs of our office bearers, elected, non-elected, karyakartas, and whatever the field will give us the feedback. Based on that, the decision will be taken. By 6th of March, I will be submitting the report to our GS organization, KC Venugopal ji. And further the process will go to Rahul Gandhi ji and Khadge ji. Post that the district presidents will be nominated. After that, a 10-day training program will be given to the district presidents by the AICC training department, and they will be active like already other states where Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana. The selection has happened, the training has happened, and our district presidents are working in the ground. With upcoming time, the power of the district president is also increasing. They will be a part of the